Hello everyone, welcome you all in another interesting art and craft video. So let's see what interesting I'm going to create in today's video. So let's first proceed with this drawing. Here I'm going to draw a dog which is wearing a hat and holding a pencil in its hand. So here I have drawn its body like this and it is sitting on a stool, and back of this dog there is another animal which is a bird. Now let's draw this whiteboard and now color this beautiful hat using orange color and this bird using yellow color. Now let's proceed with another drawing. Let's first draw a circle and draw these lines, and then you have to make petals like this. So here I have made the petals like this. Now I'm going to draw a stem and the leaves. The first leaf I have drawn. Now the second one like this. You have to draw the leaves and then make these lines and horizontal and vertical lines. Now the sunflower is ready. Now let's proceed with the next drawing. Here I'm going to draw a boy who is looking angry. I don't know why is he angry. Do you have any idea why this boy is angry? So let's draw its face and its clothes like this, and now let's color this using orange color like this. I'm going to draw and color it. I have used black color, green color like this, and now I'm going to color it like this using yellow color and then orange color for its face. Now it's ready. Now let's proceed with another drawing. Here I'm going to draw a penguin like this. I have to draw this. Now let's proceed with another drawing. Here I'm going to draw a man with a rifle. So let's first draw the man's face. I'm going to draw its eyes, nose and mouth, and he's wearing a hat. Now I'm going to draw its rifle. He's holding a rifle, and now let's draw the lower body and its clothes. Like this, you have to draw. See how simple it is. All you need a pencil and a white paper or a whiteboard, and then you can show your creativity on the paper. Like here, I'm drawing this man, and now let's draw its legs like this and its shoes. Now another one, and now it is time to color this man. Now I have used different colors like blue, brown, orange, purple for making its clothes and face, and for the rifle I have used orange color, and this rifleman is ready.